ลังเดินทางเนี่ยapa kan itu Bina
Karnataka.
Karnataka oh so you understand Hindi
Ah yeah.
yeah oh
आपने
मैं हिमाचल से
हिमाचल से हेलो
ये लाओस से
लाओस लाओस कौन सी
हाँ वियतनाम
वियतनाम आप
मैं हिमाचल से और आप
ऐसे
जो मीना गाइड नहीं मैं दोस्त हूँ क्लास नहीं का
किधर
मंडी हुई say something yeah explain you have been before
This is architecture. There was maybe a temple, like Indian temple. I don't know which temple, Jain temple, Hindu temple, Buddha temple, but it was a temple, and it was destroyed and rebuilt like Qutub Minar by the Mughal kings. Because you can see they are Indian temple architecture. In the Arabic architecture is not like this. That was simple. Like in there we can see the Arabic, but it was ancient, ancient Hindu, because you can see in the Arabic and tradition. This is statue. A statue is not prayed in their tradition. It was prayed in only Hindu tradition, Jain tradition, or Buddhist tradition. So it may be Padma Pani, Buddhist Bodhisattva or anything, but it is possible that it was from the before kings. They destroyed it and they rebuilt again, but they destroyed the carvings now. So because in their religion it is forbidden to pray something like statues. It was Ashok stuff, yeah.
Ashok Pillars
Yeah. In there also Brahmi script written.
let him say Ashok
It's I don't know.
yeah what is
It is believed that it is in the Indraprasth, Indraprasth is also Delhi, but it is located little differently. But when this was building, then they bring it here and put it in here. It was like brought from in Indraprasth, maybe in the Indraprasth anywhere in Delhi.
take photo for him
Oh, okay. Yeah.
นี่คือเสาพระเจ้าอโศกแดดคือหอนเลยวะงาม
Can you see there? This is proof that it was a different structure before.
It's similar like a Sanjay Stupa
Yeah.
similar
Right. Architecture. There are the angels now. It is forbidden to pray them.
okayงั้นคนเลย
पता चलेगा क्षेत्र को पता चलेगा ना
from here I think good wait มันมาตลอดหรอกมันบินมาตลอดthere how to go that way
Peak
photo.
No, how to go that way? Cannot. Oh. ถ่ายดู
कहाँ मिल जाऊँगा कहाँ मिलोगे कहाँ रहते हो आप
นี่คือประตูมินาเนาะ
मैं तो यहीं पास में रहता हूँ काफी बड़ी
เป็นสถานที่ท่องเที่ยว
अरे ये इधर है ना।
Similar now. Like it is believed that before a Buddhist site, and
อย่ามาใกล้ๆเด้
let's go. And this is the Qutub Minar,
อ๋อ
made
ประตู
by
มินา
Iltutmish. They also trying to build like this. Qutub Minar is this one. Show that one. No.
This one
That
original,
one,
right?
that one. Yeah, it is completed. But before that, they are trying to build this one. But it was half finished. No? It was not able to finish totally. They are trying to build same structure like Qutub Minar before. Half finished. In the every architecture, you can see that statues are removed, like and later the Arabics is carved on the instead of statue, and it is the tomb. You know tomb? Yeah. Inside this, someone's someone's have been coffin,
อันนี้เป็นหลุมฝังศพเนาะ
and that is also coffin.
Oh.
It was coffin, and underneath. How they are, you can celebrating in here.
แดด40 องศากำลังคิดไหม้อะนะอันนี้ทางล่างนี่เป็นอุตุมินาพยายามมาเบื้องนี้ไป go this way นะ Sumit this way first นี่เป็นป้ายห้ามทมน้ำลายห้ามกินขี้เหงื่อห้ามสูบยายูทูบเบอร์โอ้
Come. Sky.
What is this one?
This one is same temple, but it was totally destroyed now. As you can see before, like this, but they vanished all. They like something put above that. If you destroy this now, you can even find this one, like that one, and some are destroyed. Most of them are destroyed.
What was that time that they destroyed?
This
Yeah.
that time.
This century.
Maybe 16th century CE. That time first slave dynasty before Mughal dynasty.
Oh.
They came in India and they fought the war and they ruled the Delhi for like maybe 150 years. Slave dynasty, not the Mughal dynasty. After that Mughal dynasty came, that time they like destroyed na, because in their religion statue worship is forbidden, so they mostly destroyed, and instead of that temple they used use mosque. They built mosque, tomb and fort in that same place, because the location where the monasteries and temples built, that locations are premium.
Yeah.
So that's what. But they don't destroy everything because ours were maybe so beautiful.
This is sky.
Yeah.
You is sky.
Cheap guide.
This is
This is
Loom.
Yeah. It's cold na. See, temperature. Like
you know, it's same like Malabar Cave.
yeah, Brava Cave.
Malabar Cave, but have like a room for chanting.
Yeah. Meditation cave.
Yeah, meditation.
It can be, but you know later what they, yeah, see, this is the mandala style, right? Yeah, it can be, but you know what, this shape is the Arabian shape.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
it's later now.
Before, I think before is Buddhism, right?
Yeah. Later
And
they destroyed and they built it again like this now.
They change the
it's-
change.
Yeah, change the shape. It seems like Mughal. No? Mughal. No? Yeah. Arabic. Yeah, see. Yeah, it's come up. See, one pillar.
Oh.
Before pillar is like this, but it was destroyed. Mostly in like this now. See, they make it like this. See, you can see the steel carving.
Mhm.
They destroy it, like polish it and make it simple. Like Arabic in the symbol now. In Buddhism, maybe so much design. Also statues are there, but they are destroyed. And some of the rocks are still left the old architecture. Like see the mandala, this like it is not in the Arabic now.
Yeah.
It is in mostly in our tradition, like Buddhist tradition or Hindu tradition or Indian tradition, and Jain tradition.
I think it's like a loom for
See,
Oh.
Hamavi.
yeah.
Oh, can you see? Yeah, see.
Oh yeah.
And also one face is left.
อันนั้นจะเป็นธรรมจักรหรือว่าที่ทำลายเลย
See now, in this room, like little bit architecture left still.
อ่า
They don't build like this. They only build like this stuff. In maybe there is a flower. You can.
walk go exit
In this not clicking image.
can
Can
yeah you want
I need to click image from.